Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Squarespace for e-commerce revenue detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Select the website you want to optimize for e-commerce. Navigate to the Pages section in the left sidebar. Click on the Products page to view your product listings. Ensure each product has high-quality images that showcase the item clearly. Add multiple images per product to provide various angles and details. Write compelling product descriptions that highlight key features and benefits. Incorporate relevant keywords to improve search engine visibility. Set competitive pricing while considering your target market and competitors. Utilize the inventory settings to keep track of stock levels. Enable product reviews to build trust and encourage purchases. Go to the Design section to customize your site's layout. Choose a clean and user-friendly template that aligns with your brand. Ensure your product pages are mobile responsive for shoppers on all devices. Integrate social media links to encourage sharing and engagement. Set up a newsletter sign-up to capture leads and promote sales. Regularly update your site with new products and content to keep it fresh. Optimize your website's load time by compressing images. Use Squarespace SEO tools to improve search rankings. Configure your payment options to accommodate various preferences. Enable tax and shipping settings to provide clarity during checkout. Create clear and enticing call-to-action buttons throughout your site. Experiment with promotional pop-ups and promotional banners for special offers. Implement an abandoned cart recovery strategy to recapture lost sales. Utilize Squarespace built-in analytics to track performance and user behavior. Analyze which products are performing well and adjust your strategy accordingly. Regularly test checkout processes to ensure a smooth user experience. Engage with customer inquiries promptly to enhance satisfaction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.